on to the other big story that we are getting for you, and this one is from Karnataka. It is about Bengaluru tunnel project that is facing backlash. A Delhi-based Rodic Consultants Private Limited has created a controversy. In fact, the update that we are getting is Nashik and Malegaon in Karnataka. That's the question that we are asking, because BBMP's tunnel was mocked for copy-paste job. Project report copies Mahadata. BBMP's tunnel project has been mocked by the BJP. Let's listen into this reaction.
Yeah, this is the worst. They mentioned Malegaon. What is the relation between Bangalore and Maharashtra, Malegaon? This is the, I think this project is a bogus project. So roads are very bad in Karnataka, bad in Bangalore. How can the tunnel road will work? We can't maintain upper roads. We are going tunnel roads. This shows this government failure. Only they want to money percentage. That's why they are doing that project.
Deepak Bopanna is now joining us live for more on this. Deepak, give us more details as far as this whole controversy around the Bengaluru tunnel project is concerned.
Well, now we should note that Bengaluru, of course, reels under a lot of traffic problems. In the recent past, a lot has been discussed about whether underground tunnels across the city of Bengaluru is the solution. Well, as far as feasibility is concerned, questions have come up. The latest plan, of course, was just to have underground tunnel one part of Bengaluru, primarily, around the ring road to Silk Board Junction. This is a highly, which sees a lot of influx of traffic. Now, for this particular project, a consultant firm from Delhi, a New Delhi-based firm, was given, the authority to actually go ahead and prepare a detailed project report. Rodic Consultancy is the name of the firm. Now, they, in their executive summary of the detailed project report, have made some glaring errors which have been picked up by the BJP, and they're saying that because of this, it's a bogus report that has been prepared, and nearly about 9.5 crores has been spent to prepare this, is what we are learning at this point. Now, in this report, one of the pages, page number 29 in particular, among the 50 odd pages that exist in this executive summary, makes now basically they're detailing out the traffic junctions in Bengaluru, and in the same tabular columns they're speaking about Nashik and Malegaon. So it looks that the questions are arising from the BJP whether this is a copy-paste job of sorts that has been done for a project report that was probably created for Maharashtra, whether the same contents are being pasted here. Now, as of now, when we of course try to speak to the Deputy Chief Minister, who's also in charge for Bengaluru, he said that he will respond later on the matter, and didn't give us a clear-cut answer at this point in time. We'll really have to see with the BBMP as well, which will have to answer, and sources right now saying that they'll probably have this error rectified, but definitely raises questions as to why such a glaring error has been made, and while so much of money of the taxpayers is being spent to prepare this report, is it okay to have such glaring errors in the same?
Right. Deepak, request you to stay on with us. We have a reaction now coming in from DK Shivkumar as well. Let's listen in.
So only on the tunnel road, sir, some questions are arising about the DPR that was prepared, some errors that have emerged.
I will discuss later.
So only on the tunnel road, sir, some questions are arising about the DPR that was prepared, some errors that have emerged.
I will discuss later.
So that was the reaction, Deepak, we got from DK Shivkumar. But the question really is about, how a lot of money was spent in preparing this report. I believe around 9.5 crores was spent. And then now it seems that there was indeed a copy-paste that happened. Clearly, many questions need to be answered in this particular case, isn't it?
Yes, either the consultancy firm that, of course, did prepare this report, or the BBMP will have to come out with a clear-cut answer as to what went wrong here. Was it a copy-paste job? Does Bengaluru traffic have anything to do with Malegaon and Nashik? Because this is not something that is a vague statement. This is a detailed report and an executive summary of that, and in this particular page they're talking about high density traffic areas, and they're talking from point to point. So if they're referring to areas in Bengaluru, how did Malegaon and Nashik come up is what the BJP is asking, and they're terming the entire report bogus at this point in time. So a detailed statement is probably expected from the agency or even the BBMP, and we'll really have to see whether that's satisfactory in nature, because this is a huge amount of money that the taxpayers of course have to cough up to just prepare this report, and it's not the project in itself. And if the report is prepared in such a manner where such important details seem like they are copy pasted, then questions definitely arise.
Well, absolutely. And it has become a big political issue already. An embarrassment, really, as far as Karnataka government is concerned, with the BJP now upping the ante, clearly, isn't it, Deepak?
Well, absolutely. And the BJP right now is calling it a bogus report. They're questioning how, the traffic related to Nashik or Malegaon is really coming to the picture here. And they want to know some answers. As of now, Mr. D.K. Shivkumar, of course, was in charge for Bengaluru as well. He says that he will answer later. And we've not really gotten a detailed response from the BBMP yet. So definitely a lot of answering to do here.
All right, Deepak, thank you for the moment for joining us. We will be coming back to you for more on this big story. For now, we'll slip into a very, very short break. More news and updates on the other side. Don't go anywhere.